Hey guys, it's Eric here, and this is the comparison between the TECNO Camon 11 Pro and the Camon X Pro. Now both of these devices are priced within the same bracket and their specs aren't that far from each other, so I'll be doing a speed test and camera comparison. First off is the Bootup Test. The Camon 11 Pro booted up in 20 seconds and the Camon X Pro booted up 4 seconds later. All the background apps are closed now. Let's begin with Twitter. Twitter opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Instagram. Camon X Pro opened Instagram faster. Facebook. Facebook opened up faster on the Camon X Pro. Snapchat. Snapchat opened slightly faster on the Camon 11 Pro. YouTube. YouTube opened slightly faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Geekbench. Geekbench opened faster on the Camon X Pro. Play Store. Play Store opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Jumia. Jumia opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. We're going to skip the games row for now. Snapseed. Pretty much a draw. Camera. Camera opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Messages. Messages opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Settings. Settings opened slightly faster on the Camon 11 Pro. Speed test. Speed test opened faster on the Camon X Pro. We're getting really terrible speeds because of the bad network in my location, but the Camon 11 Pro is getting better upload and download speeds than the Camon X Pro. Now let's open some games. Smash Hit. Smash Hit opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro ever so slightly. PUBG. PUBG opened faster on the Camon X Pro. In my experience, both run smoothly. Subway Surf. Subway Surf opened faster on the Camon X Pro. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 opened faster on the Camon 11 Pro. They both kept all of the games running in the background, which is expected from the Camon X Pro with 4GB of RAM and 6GB of RAM on the Camon 11 Pro. Now let's move over to the camera test. On the Camon 11 Pro, you have a 24MP AI camera with flash on the front and a 16 plus 5MP camera on the back with quad flash. On the Camon X Pro, you have a 24MP camera on the front with dual flash and a 16MP camera on the back with quad flash. They both share most of the same interface with the exception of AI and portrait mode for the back camera, which is exclusive to the Camon 11 Pro. Taking a look at the outdoor selfie, you can see that the Camon X Pro has cranked up the saturation levels, and when you zoom in, you notice that the photo shot by the Camon 11 Pro retain most of the details in my hair. As for the portrait selfie, same story, only this time there's a bit of overexposure on the Camon 11 Pro. The depth sensing isn't 100% perfect on both. In this shot, I'm loving everything the Camon 11 Pro is bringing to the table. The AI seems to have kicked in to deliver richer blues as well as the color of the leaves. The Camon 11 Pro also seems to be doing a much better job in terms of dynamic range, color accuracy, and quality in this shot. Here, the focus on the Camon 11 Pro shot is on the leaves even after several takes. Camon X Pro is right on focus. In these micro shots, they both produce similar quality. However, the Camon 11 Pro is consistently delivering better color accuracy, which makes the photos look better. Some of the photos I took looked more or less the same on both. Indoors, the Camon X Pro looks sharper and more detailed in this shot. While using portrait mode, the Camon X Pro is over-sharpening the image, which means a lot of noise, while the Camon 11 Pro isn't doing any of that. In low light, they both produce grainy images, but the Camon 11 Pro is doing a much better job of letting light in. With flash, the dual flash of the Camon X Pro completely blows the Camon 11 Pro's single flash away. On the primary camera, the Camon X Pro appears to have more detail, but the Camon 11 Pro produces color accurate images and maintains it even when taken with flash. They both shoot videos in 1080p, and here is a quick sample of the video and audio on both of these phones. And this is the sound comparison test between the Camon 11 Pro and the Camon X Pro. So let me know what you guys think about the sound on both of these devices. So I'll be switching them over so I can test it out. Just look for the icon and let me know what you think. Overall, I think I can see why these devices are similarly priced in spite of being 7 months apart in age. The Camon 11 Pro is an incremental upgrade. Better AI camera, a 12nm CPU that is more battery efficient, and a better design, with the only con being the HD Plus display. Is this a deal breaker for you or not? Let me know which one you prefer in the comment section down below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you wish to see what I'm up to. Till next time guys, peace.